All right, it is the cold and flu season, so we've got to get this ready to go. I'm going to do some special juice today, and it's going to be delicious. And it's going to have all the stuff that you need to get rid of the colds and the flu. We got ginger, carrot, cucumber, turmeric, and beet. That's going into our super immune boosting drink, and then we're going to add a little bit of cayenne pepper, maybe a little garlic. I don't know, we'll see. Cut it so it'll fit in the hole. All right, and you don't put anything in there until you get the thing running. So we'll go ahead and turn it on first. It's going to start running. Then we're going to go with the cucumber first. Looking good. Carrots. Here we go. More beet. Here we go. He has a hard time getting in there. Alright, let's put this stuff in. Not bad. Just shot in there. Alright, let's see what happens. There's our juice. Didn't take us long. We'll clean up that mess because my girlfriend will kill me if any of this stains her counter. She will murder me. Got that. All right, so there we go. And then I'm gonna make some of this ginger juice afterwards. Let's go ahead and we'll take a taste. First, let's get a couple of this here so we can keep it from, when we pull this out, we can keep that from getting all over the, there we go. Just set that right there, and it's gonna bleed all over the place. Then we're gonna drink our juice. We gotta get a glass. Here's one right here. Put her over here. All right, here we go. And make sure it goes in there. I made a lot. Okay, that's that. All right, here we go. Not bad. Good. Now I'm going to make some more ginger. All right, so we're going to take a big chunk of ginger. I rinsed it off, and I'm going to go ahead and juice this into our drink here. So here we go. Hang on. Turn it back on. Pop it in. Smell it. That is going to be strong. That's going to be super strong. All right, let's try it. Okay, so we got our ginger in here. It's much stronger. This stuff kind of burns your throat a little bit even. Let's try it. Here we go. Wow, that's strong. That is going to protect me against the flu and colds. Ugh, burns your throat. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you do your super duper juice to protect you against cold and flu season. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to juice.